Hello friends, unit number 3.2, study of synthesis of organic compound. Synthesis of organic compound. In this, number 1, that is study of linear synthesis. It means it is a single step reactions. Suppose you are given starting from A, use B, then use C, and then D. Number 1 is example of linear synthesis. So starting from A, first goes B product, B then use C, and then D. It is a single step series reaction. Okay. So for example, starting from aniline, when react with acetic anhydride CH3CO twice O, acylation of aniline, so it gives acylation means this H replaced by acetyl group, so NHCOCH3, H replaced by acyl group, it gives the B product. Secondly, bromination, introduction of bromo group, so NHCOCH3, introduction of bromo to the para position, and finally hydrolysis, addition of H2O, removal of acetic acid and this NH2. So D is finally formation of para-bromo aniline, example of linear synthesis. It is a series of single step reactions. Okay, preparation of para-bromo aniline, example of linear synthesis. Number 2, suppose in case of second, which is known as very important, convergent synthesis. Number second is convergent, that is, see here, suppose step number 1, that is A plus B gives B product. Suppose step number 1. Okay. Secondly, C plus D gives Q product. Step number 2, and then combination of P and Q. That is step number 1 and step number 2. Finally gives final product, example of convergent synthesis. Okay, I repeat. Step number 1, that is A plus B, suppose gives P product, step number 1. Secondly, C plus D, Q product, step number 2. And then combination of step number 1 and 2, example of convergent synthesis. For example, that is epoxide reactive, suppose dimethylamine CH3 twice NH, epoxide plus dimethylamine, it gives COH, CH2CH2, NCH3 twice. That is, suppose step number 1. Okay, OH, CH2CH2 and CH3 twice. Step number 1. Secondly, suppose second step is starting amount is diphenyl methane. Structure of diphenyl methane when react with bromine. So removal of HBr it gives CHBr. This is step number second. Then step number second plus step number first. Our step first is OH, CH2, CH2N, CH3 twice. Step number 1 combined with step number 2, removal of HBr. Okay, removal of HBr. So this CH linked with O, remaining product, that is formation of Benadryl. Formation of Benadryl is an example of convergent synthesis. Example of convergent synthesis, preparation of Benadryl. Okay. And number third is, that is multi-component synthesis. In this, more than two starting involved. More than two starting compounds involved. Example of multi-component synthesis. Example is Mannich reaction. Example is Mannich reaction. In this, three starting materials: CCH5, COCH3, formaldehyde, and then dimethylamine. Okay, more than two starting materials. Example of multi-component. In this, removal of H2, one is from this ketone, one more from aldehyde, one is from secondary amine. Finally gives CCH5, CO, CH2, CH2 and N, CH3 twice. That is formation of Mannich base. Example of Mannich reaction. Example of multi-component synthesis. And second example is, comes again, known as Biginelli reaction. Known as Biginelli reaction. In this, starting compound is acetoacetic ester plus aromatic aldehyde and urea. In this Biginelli condensation, starting from acetoacetic ester, second aromatic aldehyde and urea, it gives pyrimidone derivative. Pyrimidone derivative, again example of multi-component synthesis. Okay, so today we have seen number 1 linear synthesis, second convergent, and number 3 that is multi-component synthesis. Okay, thank you.